In this video you will learn how to fix Cinema HD will not install. Check your Firestick storage space, go to Settings, My Fire TV, About and Storage, and make sure you have enough free space to install it. Enable apps from unknown sources, navigate to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, then turn on Apps from Unknown Sources, update your Firestick software, check for system updates under Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for updates. Reinstall the downloader app. Delete and reinstall the downloader app to fix possible download errors. Download the latest Cinema HD APK. Use official Cinema HD links to ensure you're installing the most recent version of Cinema HD. Restart and try again. Restart your Firestick and repeat the installation process. Now you know Cinema HD won't install. How to fix it step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.